Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually update your system software on PS4. So you can see my PS4 right over here, and let's say I want to actually update the software because I've been facing some kind of issues and bug. And you want to make sure to watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you how you can typically do that. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now the very first thing you want to do is after you turn on PS4, in order to actually update our software or firmware of PS4, you have to make sure to actually connect to the internet. In order to connect to the internet, from the menu bar which you see, you have to simply hit the upper arrow icon in order to get to the menu bar option. And on the very right hand side, you can see this option which says settings. So you have to basically simply tap on the settings option. As you tap on settings, here you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. You have to go to network and then simply tap on connect to internet in order to actually connect to your internet connection. Once you've done that, what we could do is on this page only, right over here at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to find another option which says system software update in this infinity loop icon, which you can see this rounded arrow icon which says system software update. If you want to update your software of your PS4, you have to simply hit X or enter on your PlayStation controller, and you can see it is actually checking for update. Now this process may take a while depending on the internet connection, and in my case you can see the latest version of the system software is already installed, which means that I don't have to update it. However, if you see an update button there, you have to simply follow the instructions, tap on the update button. It may also actually restart a PlayStation in order to update it to the latest version. Simply follow the on-screen instructions accordingly in order to actually update your PlayStation 4 to the latest version. And this is how you can actually update your PS4 or your system software. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.